Here I have Sony Xperia 1 Mark III, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Live headphones to this device. So firstly you have to open its case for them to enter pairing mode. Then you have to enable Bluetooth on your device. And then tap pair new device, and after you see them in the list of the available devices, just tap on them, and after that they will be connected. So if you want to disconnect from these headphones, tap here, and then you can either disconnect or forget this device forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.